In this video, we're going to show you how to install the crankshaft position sensor on your Toyota Tundra, located right behind the harmonic balancer. Underneath the vehicle, you want to go ahead and remove the securing hardware holding the front shield. Now there should be three 12mm bolts across the front. Ours is missing two, so we're going to remove the center one. And when you come back to the back side here, there's going to be two more 12mm. There's going to be one here and one on the other side. So you have a total of 5 bolts to go ahead and loosen and remove. With that hardware removed, lower down the shield, slide it out and set it aside. Now our crankshaft position sensor is located right here, and here's our harmonic balancer right here. So it's just to the right of that there. Now there's a single 10mm bolt holding that in place, and then on the top there's an electrical connector going to the back side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our gear wrench. We're gonna get up in there. We're going to loosen and remove this bolt. There's the bolt there. Go ahead and set that aside. Now the connector right here comes up and it goes into a wire loom, and it's actually taped to our oil pressure sender harness here. So it's hard for us to remove the sensor and then disconnect the connector. Now there's a little pinch tab on the front side over here where the pliers are touching. If you can get your hand up in there, you can pinch that and then pull that off. Otherwise, we're gonna use a pair of hose pliers here. And these actually work pretty well to go ahead and gently pinch that and then work that harness off. There it is. And use those pliers there. You can sometimes wiggle that out as well. Sometimes you can use a flathead screwdriver and gently pry that out. There it is. There it is. There's a rubber O-ring that usually kind of holds that in place there. Before you install your new component, I'm going to take a rag here and I put a little bit of spray solvent on there. I want to clean the inside of the port. Get any debris or anything out of there, something corrosion or old crusty oil that might be kind of causing any type of issues. Just wipe it out. Then we can simply take the new component and we want to go ahead and line that up and feed that into place. You're just going to twist that gently and work that in. You see that it's fully seated. Let's go ahead and get that bolt started. Before I tighten that, go ahead and grab that electrical connector, line that up on there, push it down. You can feel it and hear it snap into place. Now we want to torque this down to 58 inch-pounds. It is critical that we torque this and not just tighten it. And at this point here, the sensor is installed. If you happen to have a check engine light on the dash, you want to go ahead and use your scan tool, clear that code. At that point there, go ahead and install your splash shield. Install your splash shield. install a bolt on the front. I'm going to install our hardware in the back. Go ahead and tighten everything down. And you probably have 2 other bolts here. Go ahead and install those. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.